Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be giving you 3 penny stocks to buy right now. The 3 penny stocks could see massive gains in the next few weeks, so make sure you watch until the end, because this video is fire. Welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high quality content and high quality financial education. Now before we get into today's video, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel as it massively supports us. Now let's not waste any more time and get into it. Penny stocks are small companies whose shares trade for a relatively low price and often on thin volume. They are considered speculative investments and can be highly volatile. This is both a good and a bad thing for penny stocks because it means returns can be huge, but it also means you can lose lots of money, so make sure to only invest what you are comfortable with losing. But these stocks have been researched and we believe for them to be a great investment over the next couple of days. Starting off with the first stock of the video, we have Tamber Energy Inc. Ticker CEI. Currently priced at $1.39, Camber is up 40% in the past 5 days and it could see more gains in the next few days. Tamber Energy Inc. is an oil and gas penny stock that has been making headlines in several recent trading sessions. While it does have an interesting business model, the main reason for its recent gains is due to its placement as a meme stock. These are stocks that are heavily trending online, and as a result, they tend to see large bullish sentiment. Now for the second stock of today's video, we have New Oriental Education and Technology Group Inc. Ticker EDU. Currently priced at $2.07, that stock normally stays around the $5 mark and is down 80% in the past year. But now with new news coming out, we could possibly see that stock go back to its highs of $15, meaning we would see 700% returns. New Oriental Education and Technology Group Inc. is an educational penny stock that is trending in the market right now. This company offers K-12 private educational test preparation services. As of May 31, 2020, the company's services and programs were offered in 104 schools, 1,361 learning centers, and 12 bookstores. On August 18th, the company provided an update on regulatory development. This has to do with the government in China changing the laws regarding education. If you're interested in edu stock, it's worth keeping up with the regulatory happenings in China as they play a major role. Keeping this new information in mind, will edu be on your list of penny stocks to watch? Now for the third and final stock of today's video, we have 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗁. Ticker BEV. Currently priced at $3.08, 𝗦𝗲𝗰 is on the more expensive side of penny stocks, but it is still a cheap stock that we predict to see gains on this month. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗁 is another penny stock that has been rising in the past few trading sessions. For some context, 𝗦𝗲𝗰 is a company that sells beer, food, and carbonated soft drinks. Its brands include Skol, Budweiser, Bud Light, Stella Artois, Corona, and many other large names. Under its non-alcoholic brands are offerings such as Gatorade, Lipton, Pepsi, and many more. As you can see, IBEV has quite a portfolio of beverages, and during times of both economic hardship and prosperity, we often see the alcohol industry move up. Back in July, the company provided an update on its earnings and business for the second quarter of 2021. Its net revenue grew by over 36% during this period. Its normalized profit grew 116% during this period as well. Keeping this information in mind, will IBEV be on your penny stocks watch list? Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Now if you want to know the 5 best altcoins to buy in September 2021, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.